In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Crusader Kings 3 on PC or laptop. So what you want to do is first download Steam, which is basically an app that lets you buy, download, install, and then play games. So the way you do this is simply by typing Steam into Google, going to the first link, which is store.steampower.com, and then pressing Install Steam up here on top, selecting your platform, mine is Windows, and clicking Install Steam, which will download this Steam setup for you. And once you open this up, as you can see, we're inside the Steam setup where you want to click Next, select your language, click Next, and then you want to select your destination folder for the installation, so you can leave it as it is or change it, it doesn't really matter. And then you want to press Install, which will automatically install the Steam app for you onto your computer. Now, as you can see, I have it installed already on my laptop, so I'm not going to do it yet again. I'm going to close this down. So wait for your installation to be completed, and once that's done, you can simply run up the app and it will ask you to either log in or create an account. So in case you don't have an account already, you want to create one, it's very simple to do, and then log in and you'll see the exact same screen I'm at right now. Now if you don't see it, press over here Store and Featured, and there we go, you're in here. Then you want to go to the search box and type in Crusader Kings 3, and you want to press Enter. And then make sure you go over here to this gear icon, press it, and click View Unfiltered Search Results. Once you do that, if you still don't see the game we're looking for, you wanna uncheck this Hide Ignored Items over here, and you will see the first game is the one we're looking for, so the Crusader Kings 3. And then you wanna press it, click View Page, scroll down here to where it says Buy Crusader Kings 3, and you wanna click on Add to Cart, then View My Cart. Then you want to select whether you want to buy it for your account or as a gift. I'm going to click for my account. Then continue the payment. In here, you want to select the payment method. You can choose PayPal or any one of these. Just pick one. It doesn't really matter. And then you want to press continue. And it will go through the checkout process where you have to pay for the game and buy it. And then once you've bought it, your game will be added to your Steam library, which you can access up here and clicking games here on the left. And then your Crusader Kings 3 game will be added over here to the list. You want to press it, click this big blue install button, and then once that's done installing to your computer, this will turn into a big green play button, which you want to click, and the game will launch up and you can start playing.